Hey everyone, welcome to the Momax Wear Sense channel. Today I am so excited to unbox our latest product, the OneSense Active Smart Ring. First off, just check out the packaging. Classic Momax minimalism, sleek and premium. Wow, here it is. So the OneSense Active Smart Ring, super sleek, right? What else do we have? Oh, the charging case, it can charge the ring up to 30 times, and with a full battery, we're looking at 200 days of use, like that set. Now let's take a closer look at the ring. It's made from nano-ceramics and stainless steel, black on the outside, gold inside, just stylish and super comfortable there. It's also the Momax logo engraved. Let's test the magnetic charging case. It's small, handy, and charges just like that. So the red light means charging, the green light means fully charged. Pretty cool, right? This ring can do way more. Monitor your sport and health recovery, control your music videos, even just slideshows with just a swipe. We'll just dive into those features in another video soon. If you have any thoughts, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.